How to see send follow request on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see all send follow requests on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings, just tap on account center. And now here inside account center, you can simply scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. And here on the next page, just tap on export your information. And after that, you'll be redirected to a browser. Now there you can just select your activity, and after that you can just tap on create export. And with that, you can simply select your Instagram account. And here, once you're done with that, on the next page you can just tap on export to device. And after that, you have to choose the file and the format for your customization. And once you're done with all that, what you can do is you can just tap on start export. And once you do that, you may have to enter your password. So there, simply enter your password if asked. And after that, you just have to wait for a few minutes until Instagram prepares your files. And once you're done with that, you can simply download the file. And there, once you have downloaded it, you can simply find the zip file and unzip it and open the folder. And from there, you can simply search for the follow request data in the file. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.